Complete solution of mathematics for class 10 under the syllabus of Board of Secondary Education Manipur. Solved, recorded and edited by Salam Megasundar Singh, lecturer Susan Higher Secondary School in Imphal. 1. Introduction. In previous classes, we have studied statistics as a subject dealing with collection, compilation, analysis, and interpretation of data. The 5 important parameters of a data are the measures of central tendency, location, deviation, skewness, and kurtosis. We then study the measures of central tendency and location. Ahanbagi A amasu B topic anisi chapter asida nainagani. 2. Measures of central tendency. What is measure of central tendency? A measure of central tendency is the value of the variate around which the other values are supposed to cluster. Measure of central tendency haibasi variate adugi value aduni mahaki akoibada atai value singna chaikharaga leiba adugumba centrally located value amane. The commonly used measures of central tendency are mean, median, mode. To in season about measures of central tendency sing adudi mean, median amasung mode ne. The weighted arithmetic means or AM. For a group frequency distribution having x1, x2, x3, xn as mid values of the classes with respective frequencies f1, f2, f3, so on fn, the weighted arithmetic mean is denoted by x bar, and which is equal to x1 into f1 plus x2 into f2 plus x3 into f3 plus dot plus x and fn, whole divided by f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus dot plus fn. This formula na piba value adu hariba the variate ki value sing adu ki centrally located eba value amo oigani. Or mata ki formula asi summation sisinaraga summation of xi fi I varying from 1 to n, and then makagi summation my fi mayam sing asi summation of fi I starting from 1 to n, shortly sumana sigma sisinaraga sumna ibi. Or summation of fi I starting from 1 to n sibu capital N denote tawrabadi mataki formula asi amuk hana sumani ibi. 1 by n times of summation of xi fi I starting from 1 to n. Working rules to determine AM of a group data. Group data amagi arithmetic mean putokpagi working rules into the ahanbada direct method, that is x bar is equal to 1 by n times of summation of xi fi. Masigi method sina putokpabuna direct method kawe. Then assume mean or change of origin method. Hariba kona putokadaba mean adu assume loksilani a haiba number ama loksilani oitopia number approximately number ama lowrani. Then x bar c 1 by n times of summation of di xi I starting from 1 to n. Di is equal to xi minus a. Mafam asida a asibuni aikone assume mean haribasi. The step deviation atopumaming the change of origin and scale. Mafam asida I have a new variate ama introduced ogani masi xi minus a by a asibu aikoina a asibu koina origin assume or origin haina khanarani a scale aragana I asibu scale khanagani mafam asida yariba u bar asi x bar gumna mafam asida u bar asi x bar ni ui mayam singdugi minutes. There is 1 by n summation of fi divide I starting from 1 to n imaga manadrisi. Aduna assume arithmetic mean putona bagi direct method haiba ama assume mean or change of origin method haiba ama step deviation haibadi change of origin scale haiba ma leigani tongan ba mong sing asida puthokani. The median. What is median? The median is the value of the variate that half of the total number of variates have their values less than or equal to it, and the other half have their values greater than or equal to it. Have a median have a CD variate amagi variate adugi value adubuni karama value total number of variables pu tangkhai ama mangondagi pikpa natraga manaba aduga atopa tangkhai amana mangondagi chawba natraga manaba adugumba variate adubani median habasi ungroup data amagi damakta di masi observe value obi yai natraga observe value nataba number ama obi yai. The median is m equal to l plus n by 2 minus c by f into a. Masigi median asidi group frequency distribution gini. Mafam asida symbol sigi magi article gani where this l lower limit of the median class group frequency distribution adugi median level class adugi lower limit ni. Then n the size of the sample or population summation of all fi adubani. Then C cumulative frequency of the class just before the median class. Median level class की cumulative frequency की कलम दा median level class अदु की हेक ममांगी cumulative frequency अदु की value अदु बने. Then F is what frequency of the median class. Median class लेबा median class अदु की frequency अदु की value अदु बने. I said the weight of the median class. Median class अदु की weight है बदी upper limit का lower limit का median level class के अने के खेन अदु बने. The mode. What's mode? The mode of a data is the value of the variate for which there is a maximum frequency. Karigumba data amagi group frequency distribution amagi group frequency distribution or frequency data amagi maximum frequency leiba variate adugi value adobane. Maximum frequency yauba variate adugi value adobane. Mode I will see. The mode is L equal to fm minus f1 divided by twice of fm minus f1 minus f2 whole into s, where fm frequency of the modern class mode level class to modern class kawi madugi frequency maximum frequency adubani. F1 frequency of the modern class thus before the modern class mode level class kadugi hek mamangi frequency adubani mamangi class ki frequency adubani. F2 frequency of the modern class just before the modern class. Modern class ki hek mamangi chin hek matungi oigadaba. This must be after. This must be after oigadaba chin after. After. And L lower limit of the modern class. Modern class ki lower limit oigadaba. Then S is the weight of the modern class. Modern level class ki weight have a modern class ki weight have the lower limit of the modern class upper limit of the modern class minus lower limit of the modern class the people value adubani. 7 Pearson's empirical formula mod puthona nabagi formula amasu lay mean minus mod equal to 3 times of mean minus median formula 3 gi mod solve to bangang bani aikoina mean amasu median khangabadi mod puthokung bani asida unknown term se ahum ni. Measures of location or partition values or quartiles. अहानबदा कोई measures of central tendency नैना करे होगी location or measures of location or measures of partition values or measures of quartile हाइबसे अमुक तामसे अनि सुबा ममांग introduction दा नैना गनी हाइगे topic तुनी measures of location. Then the first or lower quartile. The first or lower quartile atopumaming first quartile haigera lower quartile haigera khangnagani is the value of the variate such that 1/3 of all the values of the variate in the data have their values less than it, while 3/4 have their values greater than it. Adugumba variate ki values sing adugi apun badugi saruk ahum thopagi amana hariba value asli pigadabane atai value 3/4 mari thopagi ahum amana hariba value asli ki chawgadabane adugumba value adubu first quartile natraga lower quartile haina khangnai. Then thus for a group frequency distribution first or not lower quartiles q1 khanagani ma puthopagi formula the n plus n by 4 minus c by f into s, where a lower limit of the quartile class n is the sum of all frequencies, c is the cumulative frequency of the class thus before the quartile class. Quartile class ki hek mamangi cumulative frequency की value aduni. F frequency of the quartile class की frequency ni. I is weight of the quartile class. The third or upper quartile. The third or upper quartile is the value of the variate such that 3/4 of all the values of the variate in the data have their values less than it, while 1/4 have their values greater than 8. Third natraga upper quartile haibasidi variate adugi value aduni karamba value aduguma variate ki value pumnamak adubu saruk mari thona khaidoga mari thopagi ahum amana mangondagi pikpa mari thopagi amana mangondagi chawba aduguma variate adugi value adubani kon third natra upper quartile haibasi. Thus, Q3 must Q3 in denote toroni is equal to L plus 3 times 10 by 4 minus C by F into H. Symbols where L lower limit of the quartile class and sum of all frequencies, C cumulative frequency of the class just before the quartile class, A frequency of the quartile class, H weight of the quartile class. Measures of location or partition values or quartile. Then designs have a design dj mark L plus jn by 10 minus C by F into I j starting from 1 to 9 not 10. Design have a partition tara thona khaidokani data amabu variate all the values of the various put manaba saruk tara thona khaidoga j suba haragadi saruk tara thopagi j suba amana mangondagi pikpa j suba lemhoriba mayamduna atai mayam sudan mangondagi chawba aduguma variate ki value dogani design sabasi 10 gi wafamni quartile saragana mari gi wafamni sumna design slere si the percentile saigadabani this must be percentile. This must be percentile. Percentiles PK, which is also this. Masidi data amabu saruk chama thokna khaidoga madugi k suba percentile hairagadi saruk chama thokna khaidoga madugi k ahanba k aduna mangone pikpa lemhoriba sing aduna mangone chawba aduguma variate adugi value adubani mafam asida k asi 1 to 99 ogina topa number singobi yati. The notations have their usual meaning. Symbols sigi masagi artha legani. Stated text. Exercise 13.1. Question number 1. The following are the numbers of children in a locality of 30 families. Makhada piriban number singa si kungang amada lekai amada leiba imung kuntrada leiba angang singi masingni. 4, 7, 4, 0, 4, so on number singa si. Find the average number of children per family. Imung kuding makta angang changsata kaya layana putu. Lebagi putu. Then the total number of families is the n akanan which is 30 given as 30. Total number of children the xi the x1, x2, x3, x4 minus x20, 28, x29, x30. I am singing some putokani we have this. But 11 number singing some low in a putokani we get what 79. So average number of students per family is weighted arithmetic mean have the x bar kanagi mapuma sida n asidi individual oivanina fi small n seasonagani then xi whose respective values the n value 30 pisilani then summation of xi mapuma sida exact 79 or then we have part 79 at 30 at 2.63 koi kari pangle imung kuding makta angang approximately angang ahung changda lere. Question number 2. A shop dealing in electrical goods makes the following record of TV sets sold during a particular year. Kariguma TV yoma dukan amana sai kariguma sahi amada yongiba decoration TV set singi masingu tha kudingi isille. Find the average number of TV sets sold per month. Tha kudingi TV ka average samsata kaya yon bage. Total number of months Tn equal to 12 ne. Then total number of TV sets sold the summation of xi from 1 to n mathematically n 12 oigani. That is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I was trying to the young TV sing upon mama singoni. That is 142. The average number of TV sets sold per number the x bar which is equal to this 1 by n times the summation of xi from 1 to n is here to, it must be 12. Then giving their values n is 12 and summation of xi is 142 divided over by we have 11.83. Tha kudingi dukani yole se approximately TV 12 kuma yole hane assume dawan. Question number 3. The following is the record of Record of weight of children at the time of their birth is maintained in a maternity ward during a particular year. Makhagi table asina uliba record asina ulibadi karigumba sahi amada me angang chabokpham da leiba apokpa angang singi makoigi weight singa record to hobo weight singa duni. Find the average mean weight of a children at the time of birth. Angang singa du pokpa changsakta makoisi weight kaya lumbage habatu putu average weight putu hagan. Weighting adu angang sindu 2.5 kg lumbasi angang 12 ni kg ahum lumbasi 175 ni kg ahum akai lumbasi 156 number of students ni 3.8 kg ahum 3.8 lumba kg lumba na 42 ni 4 lumba na 15 ni 4.2 lumba na manga ni asuna angang wasing angang kg weight yang pulakpa angang wasing hantari table sida. The solution we have to calculation of mean that is x bar. So table ama kakseng bani xi ke kalam mama fi ke kalam mama xi fi ke kalam mama table system bana hena kudong sai mafam asida 2.5 x1 ki value 2.5 ni adu f1 ki value 12 ni number ani si pudineraga we get this xi fi di asumna sigi number 3 siga angang masingi pudinere angang 175 ke apunu weight to silerani kumna loina pudinerani then total number of student amadi children 405 ni sigi summation putokani xi fi ki summation si 1341.6. The average weight of a sign at the time of birth angang ama pokpagi magi average sang sa tuba arumba se x bar ni which is equal to 1 by n to the 405. Then 405 kare the summation of xi fi di 1341.6 ni chini year lavadi we have 3.31 kg sang sa ta angang singa do kg ahum kara hele hanin logan. Question number 4. 5 coils were simultaneously tossed 1000 times and at each toss the number of heads was observed. Coil manga kak lisingama rak toss towing pulap is toss kunimaka pangako number of heads into record toxically. The number of tosses during which 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heads were obtained are shown in the table below. Pangako 0 heads pang head amata yaugaba cases passing 30 aini. Asumna head manga yawa sina case to kaya pangani 25 times like yawi. Find the mean number of heads per toss. Toss kuno magta pang head masingi mean putu average or mean chapane arta. Calculation of mean number of heads per toss. Table semani number of heads per tosses na xi kanarani number of tosses to na fi na kanarani then xi fi puto ani weighted arithmetic mean puto tulisi. Sig upon the sum to select, sig upon the sum to select. This is summation of xi fi. So the average weight of a sign at the time of birth is x bar, which is equal to 1 by n times of summation of xi fi. Respective value pichulani divided on 2.47. Is the frequency distribution of the number of teachers in higher secondary schools in 1978 in India. Find the average number of teachers per higher secondary school in India for 1978. Number of teachers 6 to 10 levels. Number of higher secondary schools say 955. Assume number of teachers to high ranges to level number of higher secondary machine go ani suba kalam sida piri. Also find the median number of teachers. Median number of teachers you put to u hyven. The following is the frequency distribution of the number of teachers in higher secondary schools in 1978 in India. India the 1978 the labor higher secondary gi masing amasung makoigi or the number of teachers amasung makoigi asuk tagi ranges labor higher secondary masing table piri masigi find the average number of teachers per higher secondary school in India for 1978. Average putu mean putu also find median of the putu. We have to make column table. Calculation of mean and median. Mean gidamak xi fi ke kalam mama hapsin gani but adu kulong chana gidamak ui ke kalam mama hapsin gani ui ge. Siregi kona khangjin ba yaba ama thakti mamang ge table da lehori ba pot se mamang ge table da lehori ba pot se hoji 6 to 10 ni 11 to 15 ni 16 to 20 ni 21 to the series the group frequency distribution is this continues for a class intervention. This continues where we have to make it continuous. Continuous gani si jadi 10 ga 15 ga di marakta si kitang continuity ma maintain tahon gani. Kon number of teachers to I coin as minus 6 65.5 70.5 सुमाने continuity होजिक maintain तौर 0.55 lower limit ना खाइदोगा upper limit ना upper limit ना हापचलगा सुन सेमनी then mid value sindi aniji tenjinaga tuni yenbadu aniji divide tenjina tuni yenbadu phangba mindoni mid value haris aniji tenjina tuni yenba phangba value sum semani then ui have a new variant amakona introduce torani xi minus 28 by 5 karigino number si lauri badi haragadi sidalari ba number xi mayam singsi manungdagi min have a centrally located value tadre centrally located tabe aba value do koina tabe aba logani God, like there is the Yobo number logo in a Kudum side 20 I logera 23 logera 33 logera so I can centrally located below lowering but 20 and lower then she will a domain harivasi change of origin haris then I 5 in class any difference to locally generally adu mafam asira 5 lore 10 lore so happy I scale today 10 lower in a Kudum side madam the 5 any number and the degree 10 any number and no Kudum side do mafam asira 5 lower that is I taking I minus 20 I ta farming yellow the I minus 20 I ta that is kind of I minus 20 I t minus 20 ni minus 20 to 5 in yellow the minus 4 from it so now x2 x I the 2 pisula 2 pisula the 13 minus 20 I 13 minus 20 I t gonna kaya pange tari tara mga trawa pange trawa jab mga yellow the minus 15 to the farming the minus assume kalam kuring low in a quality. The number of higher secondary schools to receive the pyramid respectively to the Pishilani Magi Samputone, then EYFI when a weighted element meaning the month sense of origin state of Pangani, I don't know the point is EYFI Kalamama same when the Kanapuni, see UI Jiga and Siga Purina, value to Tamani, Siga Siga Purina Tamani, Siga Siga Purina to the Tamani, Asuna. Then median get them after the cumulative frequency Tamani, cumulative frequency, Siga number to Langana Tamani. 시기 number 마카게 number 합줄로 방어가 value 상관이 시기 value 시다 마카게 frequency 합줄로 방어가 value 상관이 시기 frequency 시다 시기 number 좀 합줄로 시 방어가니 시기 number 시다 시기 number 좀 합줄로 시 방에 then 시기 number 시다 시기 frequency 뭐 합줄로 시 방하니 then 시기 number 시다 시기 frequency 뭐 합줄로 시 방하니 시기 frequency 삼아서 시 뭐 합줄로 시 방하니 then 시다 시기 number 좀 합줄로 시 방에 시기 number 시 마찬가지 합줄로 합성을 할게 asumna EYFI की summation पुथोकने plus makai loine tawro minus makai ma sum plus makai ma sum tawro aduga difference to which sign loine na irane then sig summation puthoy now x bar equal to a plus icu bar formula sunane a assuming the 20 I log kibani I the white scale to the 5 log kibani u bar have the new u bar have a amount new mean oigani CD1 by n asagi n की value do 9350 phangobani adu EYFI की value de lehobani sigi min puthokani then sine divide करने si ice की 5 ni then sine summation of EYFI divided by CD capital N we have this number system simplified or 25.04 phang for median thus the average number of teachers per day is 25.04 average number of teachers per school per school this must be per day it must be per school school single was out 25 lay and low for median we have to find out n by 2 putokani 9350 to nearly 4675 high even number c cumulative frequency ke kalamda mangondagi khajiktan chawba cumulative frequency ma pa thidokani then adurdi that is 20.5 that is 20.5 by and there 25.5 is the median class hariba class the see the labor frequency the sigi number sigi khajiktan chawba number do oigani so median puthoke harabadi formula chi sizinagani l di kana pigani 20.5 pigani n by 2 the n by 2 the mathak puthora value bisingani cd cumulative frequency ke kalam da c ke hek mamanga leba cumulative frequency value bisilani f have cd c median class ki frequency bisingani then white have 25 minus 0.5 to 20.5 have 5 losilani as in this 5 losilani c difference to 5 lani f the table dagi yenga logani 1490 c frequency c ki cumulative frequency level ma paru hek mamangi frequency then simplify tora we have 23.82 Music median siga average ka mean ga ani is almost manari sin tora mawani centrally located value ga. Question number 7. The expenditure for the consumption of water per month by 100 families is given below. Imung chamana tha khudingi sizinaba isingi expenditure do piri. Expenditure on water in rupees. Rupees 30 to 40 folk sizinaba number of families to chama de man 12 ni. Rupees 40 to 50 folk sizinaba family masing 20 ai ni. Asumna magi ranges mayam singsi chama taradagina lupa chama kunbauki manungda water ising kano expenditure toba imungse anini. Find the mean monthly expenditure for the families on water ising da imung kudingi samsetta kaya paisa kaya sizinabage putu. Also determine the quartiles of the expenditure expenditure to give quartile putu habani. First quartile amasung second quartile. First quartile amasung third quartile. Upper quartile amasung lower quartile. We have to make table same many aikoina. Calculation of mean X bar Q1 first quartile and Q3 third quartile upper quartile. Expenditure on water in rupees to madugi kalam duma lengdana thamani sigi mid value high mid value X na khangnagani anisi naraga tuna divide to the 35 anisi tuna divide to 45 simna kalam kodingi puto ani. Then UI have a new variant ama introduced togani karigidama xi minus assume legible value mayam sing manung 65 and 75 la located ani bonga ama logna kudong chagani but mafum asle 75 lowre ado class ki yt 40 minus 30 di tani si class masi class e kano or uniform or white sing si ado 40 degi 10 stage 10 loksela masi kun scale kawi. Then huzik 35 x1 avadi x with the u1 pixel with the either one pixel u1 so x1 is 35 ni 35 minus 75 is 10 yellow with the minus 4 so 45 minus 75 is minus 30 ni minus 30 to 10 is minus 3 so na kalong kuding low in formula system low in putoka ni number of families fi acd wang the pyramid then ui fi putoka ni kari damak x bar min putokna bagi damak ta aduga amoksu quartile the Moktadi, quartile the multiplicative frequency ke kalam sembani, 12 to lengana thamani, 12 to 18 absolute 30, 30 to 20 absolute 50, 50 to 15 absolute 65, 65 to 12 absolute 77, 77 11 absolute 88 to 6 absolute 94, 94 4 absolute 98, 98 to 2 absolute 100. I don't know. Number of families FI ke summation to N gani sigi summation of FI UI FI changi adu summation value juga thamani plus makai product is zero minus makai plus minus makai plus sum of toraba plus makai sum of toraba makai difference to put with proper sign happen. X bar is equal to A plus I U bar ni si formula si sinner ni A ki value di 75 low gore I stick 10 la haure U bar habadi new variant sing adugi mean to the FI UI ki summation minus 114 da total number of frequencies to the 100 here and simplified total we have 63.6. For Q1, thus the mean monthly expenditure of the families on water is rupees 63.60. Imung Samadugi Thagi Makuni ising the Sinriva Paisaji rupees 63.6 ni. Again, coin the Q1 Gitamakari N by 4 Putokani N 100.25 ni. Then so 40 50 is the Q1 class. Hariba to 25 30 tang chawa to 30 tang chawa cumulative frequency of one number to the 40 50 the later. There is Q1 later. So Q1 this formula is the value pistol LD 40 pistol and N by 4 the 25 thangare CD cumulative frequency is just before Q1 class heck mamangi cumulative frequency already 25 asigi heck mamangi cumulative frequency labor number 12 lorani the frequency of the quartile class to the item lore then any difference white of the median class for the quartile class to the 10 value simplified to rupees 47.22. So now 3n by 4 the Q3 ki damakta si value ki palani then 75 sidik kitang chawa cumulative frequency yawa class to the 70 IT is the Q3 class. Q3 ki formula respective value special and simplified or we have rupees 78.33 हाने value 47 asigi chawpal ai Q3 na Q1 dagi always chawra. Thanks for watching.